My name is Rinzing and I'm the founder of Agapi, a sustainable skincare brand from Sikkim. Growing up in Sikkim has not only shaped who I am, but is also the heart of Agapi.
Building India from Sikkim. Together we build India.
So Agapi comes from the Greek. It means love in Greek, and it has a biblical connotation as well. It means God's eternal love, and the tagline is "Love from the Mountain." There were products which were overly, clinical formulation. I felt that it was disconnected from our land. Or there were products which were overly natural, but had no claims of transparency. So that is where, Agapi's found the middle path. Coming from Sikkim, being raised in Sikkim, we've always been close to the land. We've always been close to the people, the community, to be able to use what the region has to offer. I mean, what I'm trying to say is there are no Himalayan brands which are actually from the Himalayas, made by the Himalayan women and bringing it to the world by the Himalayan people. So I think that is where our USP lies. That kind of gave push to where we wanted to take our products. Unlike most of the skincare brands in the market today, I take pride in saying that we have our own manufacturing unit. Everything is made in small batches. Making the products in small batches, you have control over the quality. Even the raw material that we source, whatever that can be sourced locally, are sourced from our local farmers. When I began my entrepreneurial journey, along with the making of the product, the marketing of it, we also have a Model B where we provide skill development training to women from various sections of the society. We started with tribal women, and then we trained a handful of women from destitute homes, women who has been victims of sexual violence, domestic abuse. Today we have 15 women who are directly connected with Agapi, and we have probably trained more than 500 women all over Sikkim. Coming from where we are geographically located, the major challenges has and is still logistics, marketing and HR. But we found a way around it. The handful of women who are associated with Agapi have been there since day one. And in addition to that, we also have these, women who don't directly work with Agapi but are collaborated with Agapi in creating these products. I feel completely inspired by India's changing startup ecosystem. I think what moves me the most is to see young entrepreneurs like myself embracing the route so courageously without any inhibitions. It feels incredibly empowering for founders like us from smaller regions like Sikkim. It gives us visibility, and also it takes our work to the larger audience. And also it is a constant reminder that innovation is not limited to bigger cities and metros. It also bridges the distance, gives us access to not just financial and technical support, but also in terms of telling our story to the world and taking our product to the mainland. I see a new India where, along with innovation and technology, founders from smaller region like Sikkim or any other, northeastern part of India is celebrated. We're telling their stories, celebrating the local impact, and it's an amazing shift to see that it's inclusive. It is not just for innovation and technology, for founders or for businesses which may have started from kitchen, which may have started in a smaller regions like Sikkim, or it could have started from the backyard or even the field. It gives me a lot of hope, and I feel you kind of feel supported.
Building India from Sikkim. Together we build India.